Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you how to fix a sore throat overnight. Now, we all know having a sore throat absolutely sucks. Nobody likes it because it's sort of a prequel to being sick. You know you're going to be sick the next day. But there is a simple set of things that I do whenever I feel a sore throat coming along. And these things allow me to literally wake up without a sore throat. And never mind, like the sickness doesn't even exist. The cold doesn't even come to fruition. It's a very simple set of tricks that I use, set of steps. Let's get right into it. First and foremost, as soon as you start to feel a sore throat, you want to drink a ton of water. Now, obviously, you want to make sure that you are sticking towards your regular amount. Like if you're regularly drinking a liter of water a day, don't jump up to 4 liters. Like drink a significant amount more than you would regularly drink, but don't push yourself to be bloated the entire night because then you're not going to sleep well, and that's a different step, okay? So drink a ton of water because your body is made up of a lot of water. And sorry, my daughter usually loves it when she watches me making videos. Right now, though, she is not a fan of it, so I'm probably going to end up stopping after this one. I usually only make a few in front of her anyways, but she's not a fan of it today. Anyways, that's what it is. But water's going to help your body get what it needs to actually get rid of the sore throat and kick the cold before it even arrives, okay? The second thing that you want to do is gargle with salt water before you go to bed a few times. So I don't mean drink the salt water. I mean gargle with the salt water and then spit it out. So put the salt water in your mouth, go and then spit it in the drain. Okay? You want to do that maybe like 4 or 5 times within a couple of hours before going to bed, because salt water, believe it or not, has antibacterial properties. Okay? So it's going to help you. It's going to help your throat heal. And it's going to help that soreness, the illness that's causing that sore throat go away. Now, most people do it once before bed. Nope. Twice. Nope. Like 3, 4, 5 times before bed, within a few hours before bed. Okay? That's going to help get rid of that bacteria and start the healing process. Okay? Now, the next thing is super important, and it's going to disturb you a little bit, but you want to wake up in the middle of the night and drink a nice big glass of water, like 500 milliliters, 750 milliliters, something like that. Because when you wake up in the middle of the night and you drink water, like your body will get dehydrated throughout the night. Even if you drank a lot of water, your body's still going to get dehydrated through the night because you're not giving it any water. Okay? So what you want to do is make sure you wake up in the middle of the night, and you're probably going to have to wake up to use the bathroom anyways if you're drinking a lot of water the night before, the day before, right? So you're probably going to have to wake up anyways. When you do wake up to go to the bathroom, then just make sure you guzzle a big glass of water, okay? Warm water is actually a better option. Not hot water, but just like lukewarm water, because it's going to keep yourself sort of relaxed. It's not going to wake you up, but that's going to hydrate your throat even more throughout the night and help the healing properties. Last but not least, this is probably the hardest thing, but at the same time the easiest thing to do, and that is to make sure that you are getting at least 9 hours of sleep throughout the night. Now, your body pretty much only heals when it's sleeping. If you ever ask anyone that lifts weights, they will tell you that sleep is more important than even eating protein, right? If you have a ton of protein but you don't sleep, your muscles will not repair. Your throat is full of muscles, and it's in a very similar way. It's only going to heal when you're sleeping. So with that being said, you really have to make sure that when you are sleeping, okay, when you're sleeping, you know, you're getting a nice deep sleep. And if it takes you half an hour to fall asleep, that means you got to go to bed 9.5 hours before you're ready to wake up. And if you know you're going to wake up to use the bathroom, that means go to bed 10 hours before you have to wake up. You need 9 hours of good sleep, not 9 hours of lying in bed, 9 hours of sleep. So act accordingly, basically. You know your sleep schedule and how long it takes you to fall asleep, so just make sure you act accordingly. And that's essentially it. That is how to fix a sore throat overnight. If you use these steps, you know, the night before, when you start to feel your sore throat is feeling sore, right away, start drinking a lot of water, get that salt water ready to gargle. Make sure you're waking up to drink water in the middle of the night, and make sure that you're getting a good amount of sleep. Get everything done beforehand so you can go to bed nice and early. If you can get 10, 11 hours of sleep, that's even better, okay? And that's basically it. Those things will help you fix a sore throat overnight. Try them out. Drop a comment below. Let me know. Like if you tried it out and you wake up the next morning and your sore throat feels so much better, drop a comment below. Say, it worked. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. This way everyone can know that these steps actually work. And I'm not just making this stuff up. They work all the time for me whenever I feel a sore throat coming on. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.